Well, hello, and welcome to Creating a Meaningful Life. As your instructors, we are thrilled to congratulate you for choosing a unique course that will teach you how to live the best possible life that you can. We are excited because creating a meaningful life is all about you and your own experience of meaning making. My name is Linda Levine. I've been an educator at San Jose State University for almost 30 years. My other passions include motivational speaking, coaching, and professional clowning. For 2 decades, I've been part of a leadership team that has created and taught an amazing course, Creating a Meaningful Life, to thousands of students. From the start, everyone I met was asking about this course and if they would have to go back to the university to partake in its many life lessons. On that inspiration, I took this concept to companies, women's groups, and began coaching individuals so that more than just my San Jose State students could benefit and transform. Since the first class, my college students, adult learners, and mentees have blown me away with all that they have done. They've written books, jumped out of airplanes, gotten tenure, changed careers, fallen in love, bought second homes, taken dream vacations, gotten fit, retired successfully, all with the help of this simple program. You actually might know one such mentee of mine from other online courses.
Thank you so much, Linda. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jonathan Levy, and I'm an entrepreneur, a life hacker, and an author from Silicon Valley. Perhaps most importantly, in the context of this course, I've been blessed to have Linda in my life as a mentor ever since I was 4 years old. Because of this, I've used the very frameworks and tools that we'll teach you in this course to build and sell an e-commerce company by the age of 24, to earn a bachelor's and a master's degree from 2 of the world's top institutions, to publish 2 books, and to build a successful media company that delivers some of the best-selling courses on the web, including the blockbuster Become a Super Learner series. More importantly, though, I can honestly say that Linda's influence in my life has helped me create zeal, enthusiasm, and balance in everything that I do. From creating space in my life for fitness and health, to extensive traveling to over 40 countries, to maintaining a rich network of incredible relationships with friends and family, and even space to pursue my hobbies and passions. I really love the meaningful life I've been able to build, and I'm just so excited that I finally will be able to share Linda's wisdom, exuberance, and inspiration with the rest of the world.
Thank you, Jonathan. Throughout the course, we will be sharing tons of tools, exercises, and frameworks with you that have had a tremendous impact on our lives and on the lives of those we've touched. We'll share the personal stories and perspectives of how we've used them to help create a meaningful life. And then we'll turn it over to you with some practical and applicable tips that you can use to do the very same.
We know you're excited to get started. And anyways, you'll learn more about us and our stories as the course unfolds. So let's get started, shall we?